Suddenly, do you feel what I feel? Na, na, na. Yo, shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song naman tayo. So, gaya na sinabi ko, with K-pop version. With K-pop version, Always Love by David and Yoonjin. So, sinabi ko na to, meron na tayong na-upload no na no K-pop version, na-upload na natin. And then, this time, ay no, with K-pop version naman, with K-pop. So, first, standard tuning, and then first fret K-pop. Okay? So, first fret K-pop. And then strum muna, no? Ito ang strum natin, no? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, yan ang strum, no? Kaya na bala mag-timing, no? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, suddenly, do you down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yan ang strum, no? So, yan ang strumming pattern. Diretso tayo ng intro. So, intro, first intro. Ito ang mga chords na ginamit natin. So, di ko alam kung exact ba to, pero pwede nyo gamitin to as intro. So, mula dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5th fret, mula dito. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, bar natin tong part. Bar natin to. 4 strings. Okay. 4 strings, bar. 5th fret mula doon. 5th fret, and then bar. Sa 5th na fretboard. And then, add natin to isa. Add this note. Yan. So, 4 strings, no? 4 strings. Add natin to. Itong note na to, okay? Then, twice yan. Twice, 2 times. Then, pasok ang music. Intro. So, play it first. So, G. And then, E minor. And then, the third chord ay A minor 7. So, A minor position muna, A minor, and then remove this finger. Okay. Ring finger. So, remove yan, A minor 7. So, mula dito, remove this one. Okay? And then, the last chord sa intro, last chord ay C minor. So, gaya ng B minor, this time, 1, 2, 3. Mula dito, from here, 1, then 2, 3, third fret, C minor. Gaya ng B minor as third fret. So, yan ang last chord ng intro. So, let's play the full intro. Twice. Then, insert the G. Down, up, down, up, down. E minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. A minor 7, sorry. Then, C minor. Insert the verse. Suddenly. So, diretso naman tayo ng verses. Let's proceed for the verses. And then, verse at choruses, para mga chords, same chords. Verses at chorus, same chords lang, no? And then, we have 2 lines, 2 linya ang verse at chorus. So, play natin. Pakita ko muna. I play first, show it first. Verse. Suddenly. So, first line, G, E minor, A minor 7, and then the D. So, that is the first line, no? And then, for the second line, G ulit, and then E minor ulit, then A minor 7 ulit, and then the last chord ay C minor. So, verses, choruses, same chords, 2 lines, yan. Play natin. Play natin verse. Suddenly, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, A minor 7, down, up, then D, down, and second line, G ulit, G again, then down, up, down, then A minor 7, down, down, then C minor. And then proceed to sa pre-chorus. After this, pre-chorus, show it first again, pakita ko muna. And these are the chords. So the first chord ay A minor 7. A minor 7. Okay. Remove this one. Okay. Then D. Hold D, okay? Hold natin ang D, hold natin. Bago ang chorus. So repeat. Play natin again. Let us play again. And pre-chorus. Then hold din D. Hold ng D. Okay? And then yan ang pre-chorus. Guys, no? Then repeat the verse chords. So, yung play natin kanina. Do you feel what I feel? So repeat lang, no? Repeat yung chords kanina. Na 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 na. Two lines yan. Na 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 na. Two lines again. Na 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 na. A minor 7, C minor. And then yan ang chorus, pre-chorus at chorus. And then let's proceed sa instrumental part, guys. Instrumental part naman tayo, no? So play natin ang ending ng second chorus, fourth chords, ending ng fourth chord. Then ito ang instrumental, isang linya lang ang instrumental. Huwag kayong maglala, nasa screen naman ang chords. Instrumental after ng second chorus, then instrumental part. Then D. So G, E minor, then A minor 7, and then D. So isang linya lang, no? One line only for instrumental part. Then after that, repeat ang chords. Repeat ang chords ng choruses. Repeat. So repeat lang, no? Hanggang ending, G ang ending, guys. Yan na lahat, guys, no? Yung sinabi ko ulit, first with capo version ito. Dito per spread ang capo natin at standard tuning. At meron na tayong na-upload na no capo version, no? Pero this time nga with capo. Tandaan nyo lang yun, yung intro, itong chord ng intro. So 4 strings lang yan, add lang na to. And nakalagay naman sa screen lahat, no? Yung intro kaya na halos para-pareho mga chords na ginamit, pero may pag-iiba lang ng kaunti. Kaya na ba lang mag-timing? Check nyo rin ang no capo version na upload na natin sa channel natin. Nauna yun, at ito no capo version. So yan muna ang tutorial. See you sa mga next na uploads natin. Bye bye, guys. Always love.